if you have melanin in your skin, I want you to come to the front. This one's for you. So I found the best skincare products by Medicube for melanin skin. And when I tell y'all, y'all already know KBeauty is on another level. It's on another level. If you deal with hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone, this product might be for you. So not only is it affordable, but it also helps fade those dark spots. Like, look, this was worse. This was way worse than it is right now. Yes, so it's cleared up. So I want to show you the products. I'm gonna give you a step-by-step tutorial, and I'm also gonna tell you what is good for it and why you need it. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Oh, and if you don't know who I am, I'm Brittany Parisha. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for tuning in. So let's see the products in order. You have your Medicube Zero Foam Cleanser. You have your Medicube Zero Pore Pads. Then next we're gonna tone. After that, we're gonna use the One Day Eczema Shot 2000. Then we're gonna go in with the PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. And then of course, everybody's favorite is this Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream. And everybody likes this so much because it looks like jelly on the inside. So everybody's definitely raving about this. So let's hop into it. But first I wanna get my hands wet so I can be able to warm the product up. First I start with the Medicube Zero Foam Cleanser. And you really don't need a lot. That's way too much. A little. So it's a gentle cleanser with a solid acid and tea tree oil that helps remove dirt, oil, and makeup from the skin without stripping my skin. So I kind of OD'd, but you work it into a lather and you rinse with lukewarm water. So let's go ahead and rinse. Work it in just a little bit more. Now we're gonna take our paper towels because we all know how much bacteria is inside of our actual face towels. So I always try to opt for paper towels or makeup cloths, anything that is not a towel, like a cloth towel. Because what's the purpose of having clean skin if you're just gonna put bacteria back on it? Next, I use the Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0. After exfoliating, I go in with the Medicube Triple Collagen Toner. Shot 2000 is the ultimate powerhouse in my skincare routine. Let me show you why. And let me tell y'all, this feels like little needles in the inside. Oh my gosh. This is what targets those stubborn areas. Oh my gosh, y'all. Next, we're going in with the PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. And I like to let my products sit and dry for a minute before I put the next product on. I like to make sure that the products are fully absorbed before I apply the next product. Sometimes if we're rushing, we might apply it too quickly and the products don't have a chance to fully absorb into the skin so that they can do what they need to do, because each product does something different. So while that's fully absorbing, we're going in with this bad boy next. Everybody loves this collagen jelly cream. It has a jelly consistency, so that's why people love it. And I can't wait for you guys to see how it glides onto the skin. It's only one thing that I didn't really care for when it came to this product, and I'll show you what I mean. So now that my skin has fully absorbed everything, let's go ahead with this. It's like a jelly, like, so we're gonna put some of this on our finger. So my only con about the jelly is it's kind of sticky and it stays like that. I don't like that. If you're okay with it and you don't have a problem with your face feeling sticky all day, by all means, do your thing, sis. But for me, I don't necessarily like the sticky feeling all day. It's very hydrating, I will say that. And it does give you that glass skin that you're looking for if you're looking for the glass skin look. So, of course, what's the skincare routine without lip gloss afterwards? I'm going in with the topicals, and this is the Slick Salt. Baby, this is Chef's Kiss. So, let's just apply a little bit of that on. Y'all, so that concludes the end of this video. Thank y'all so much for following my skincare routine. If you tried Medicube products before, please put it in the comments and let me know how they work for your skin. If you like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.